Jordan shooting his brand new rifle. Safety's on, Jordan.
Hey, with this safety, you pull it back, right? Yeah. You pull it back.
Keep it tight on your shoulder.
Safety back.
Yeah, safe is right there.
Rack it. Rack it. Rack another one.
Wrong. Come on. Oh.
There you go.
Finger off the trigger till you're ready to fire.
Yeah, that was dead on, dude. That's pretty. Oh, that just like was a. Pow. That was good.
Yeah, that's about as good as it gets.
75 yards. Killing it.
Come on, Jordan.
Go another one. Do another one.
Do the same thing you did.
Yeah. Up, back, forward all the way. Forward all the way.
Forward hard.
Push it in.
Push it in harder. Oh, Jordan.
Lock it down.
Finger off the trigger.
Get finger off the trigger. Get ready to fire. Put the crosshairs on the target.
I know exactly where it was, too.
Or Stanka.
High,
Fire.
right hand corner.
Well, I'll tell you.
It was.
Yep, that's right. Well, now you know you can shoot.
Yeah.
You gotta do the same thing every time.
Yep.